welcome to my channel. Today I will be showing you one of Gabby dollhouse rooms. This is baby box. This is her room. Her room is fantastic. And before we start this video, I will be showing you these sheets. So if you want to make baby box, you could print this sheet, and this sheet will come with 4 sheets, I think. And first you do the face, then you do the legs, then you do the dress, and then you do this whatever and assemble them, and then you get baby box at last. And it's very easy, but I wanted to keep a clip here. You see the back? Ask your parents to keep a clip if you want. Or you could just hold the dress like this. I'll show you. Or if you don't want a clip, you could put in your hand as a clip. And play like this. But don't do it like this because it'll break. So now I'll give you a small little tour to my house. My little Gabby dollhouse house. This is Baby Box's house, and this is a little table. It's bouncing because it's made of paper legs and cotton balls. You need cotton balls for art sometimes to puff paint. If you need paint, a paint palette. And here's paints. So I made a rainbow order paint. And I made it with clay, white clay, and I kept marker in clay, and then I let it dry over for a night, and then I got this. Paintbrush, of course, if you need a paint. You can paint with your hands, but some people like. This paintbrush is a little weird because we made it with chocolate wrap. And actually, I pretended that there's 2 sides paints. Eraser for the whiteboard. I mean the blackboard. How many times am I going to say whiteboard? And if you need a blackboard, a white chalk. It's actually a pencil. And actually, I'll show you magic, guys. I'll just scribble. You see these white little lines? I'll use this eraser. It erased. Cool. Tell me if it works in your house if you make this in toilet paper. You don't need toilet paper, but I pretended this. You need toilet paper for Merkit's room, but not for baby box. But I flattened this up and then I got paper. So I pretended it's paper. And water for watercolors. That's what has water in it. And I made it, and I also, and in a Lego set I had these chips, and I thought I could use these for Gabby's dollhouse as baby boxes, little chip-like. And you know, baby boxes, best family lives here in these small tubes like these. And only Mama Box and Baby Box live in this house. But the best family, tubes, lives in tubes. Of course, you need an elevator to go to the room. Here. And this is all the buttons, and I'll tell you which button is which. The green one is to go up. The pink one is to stop. And the light green one is to go slow. And the blue one is to go high up to the roof. And the yellow one is to go slow. And these are the lights. Of course, you need lights. I made them in rainbow orange, but poor orange, it's mixed colors. It has blue and all colors mixed. And this is, of course, the baby box slides from this little hammock or something. And I'll show you how it is. But before I do that, I missed it. Whee! It's right from it. And baby box is actually small, but I made her big. And also the baby box's whiteboard has buttons like in a square, but I kept it with beads. Only one line and cloth. Of course, you need cloth sometimes for art. And pipe cleaners to rescue. Pipe cleaners. In the first Gabby Dollhouse episode, see in season 1, Cat Rat went up to space. In Baby Book's smart thinking, she used pipe cleaners to make a twist, shapes, and make a shape loop with pipe cleaners. That's right, pipe cleaners to the rescue. Woo! And that's my Gabby Dollhouse thing. And thank you for watching. Woohoo! Cat Rat to the rescue. Bye. Hope you subscribe my channel and tell me if you made this too. Bye. Da 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 da.